Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is FX and you're welcome back to our weekly Sunday Outlook, a segment where I break down the markets, break down the pairs and my projections for the coming week. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the charts. So as always, you guys know how we do it. I'll first of all be going over the opportunities that we saw in the market last week. Unfortunately, I was not able to get involved in any trades. There were quite a number of chance opportunities in the market, but um, I was trying out something different, and it didn't really work out. And I'll show you guys what I mean. Let's go over to the first pair I placed a trade on, and that's AUD card. Okay, if you look here on AUD card, you see this. You see my short rule over here. That's because I had a sell limit over here. Let me go over to the 4-hour time frame. On the daily time frame though, you see that the market has broken structure to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame, the market was trending down. It had broken and closed below this area of value. It came back up into the value and gave me a double top. Okay, I put in a sell limit over here with my stop loss above and my target below. The market came, tapped my sell limit, but it didn't quite, it wasn't, it just tapped it in. It didn't get me in. I needed to get past it a little bit, but it didn't, and it just melted all the way to the downside to my take profits. It was a beautiful trade, but I guess I was trying to be extremely conservative. I could have entered at this candle close, but I just put a sell limit. I think I saw the trade when this red candle was already forming, so I just put a sell limit over here, and the market failed to trigger me. So yeah, it was a beautiful setup. I had a beautiful game plan, but it just didn't work out, which is fine. The next one was card JPY. It's exact same story. Let me look for card JPY. There it is. Card JPY, and you look at it. The market broke below this area of value, came back, gave me a clean double top. But I didn't want to enter this trade down here. I'd have had like 100 and something pip stop loss. I just put my entry at this mid-level where my stop loss would have been just 100 pips. The market came just shy of, like, I think he even tapped it again, but it just didn't trigger me in. I think there was like 1 pip shy of triggering me in, and the market just melted and continued melting down even up to over 500 pips. So yeah, last week there were beautiful opportunities in the markets, but I wasn't able to capitalize on any of them, which is sad. But again, we keep going. Okay, there's no need to feel bad. The market is always providing us with opportunities. So this new week, we're just going to be going over the pairs that look like they have something to give us. And the first on my list is NZD card. NZD card, if you look at it clearly, you can see that it has been in a downtrend after this double top over here. One top, push down, second top, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, even here a lower low. It has pushed all the way to this downside and it has put back into this area of value. And if you see here, there is support, resistance. So this area is a strong area of value. So what we're going to be waiting for this week is for our double top or head and shoulders pattern in this level, and our entry confirmations to go short on this pair. So I'm bearish on NZD card. GBP NZD is the next pair. GBP NZD, I'm bullish on GBP NZD. If you see, this market has broken out of this almost like ranging kind of like market that it has been in, and it has pulled back into this area of value. You can see this point here was previously resistance. The market spiked above, broke back below. I think you'll be quite cautious trading from this area. What I mean is, you make sure that you see enough confirmations in this area, because the retest points are not that much. It's just this one here. Looking back, I don't know if the market has visited this area before. Let's go over to the weekly time frame to just confirm. Okay, the market has visited, but it was a long time ago, back in like 2020. So yeah, but it's in an overall uptrend and it's back in this area. So we're waiting to see if the market will give us a double bottom over here and an engulfing candlestick confirmation to go long on this pair. I'm bullish on GBP NZD. Next pair on my list, USD JPY. USD JPY was one of the pairs that it was, it just kept melting. It failed to give me an entry confirmation. I really wanted to get involved in USD JPY, especially with this push over here, but it didn't give me the kind of confirmation I was looking for. After I broke down here, I was anticipating it to come back to this level, to retest the EMA, retest this level. It never did. So right now, I'm just going to be sitting on my hands. I don't know if this is going to be possible this week or next, but the market's either going to pull back into this level for me to look for shorts, or break this support retest, and I'll look for shorts to the downside. Either of the options is fine by me, but I'm short on USD JPY. AUD USD. Last week I was anticipating the market to pull into this area. The market pulled back shy of the area of value and it kept melting down. So this week we're waiting for the same thing. Either the market pushes back up, test this level, or the market comes, break below this level, we test here. We'll be looking for shorts to the downside. Either we were bearish on AUD USD. Euro JPY. I'm bearish on Euro JPY. You can see this market was in an overall uptrend before. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now this market has violated all these lows and has broken and closed below this level. So right now I'll be anticipating the market to pull back into this level to look for shorts to the downside. GBP AUD. GBP AUD is one that I was really expecting to pull back properly into this level over here. And one can say that the market actually did pull back into the level, but the confirmation was just not clear enough. The confirmation was just not clear enough. But this coming week, we're going to be seeing if this market can pull back into this level again and give us a cleaner confirmation. If not, then we're going to be taking GBP AUD off the list, because if you look over here, you can see that the market was in a tight consolidation before rapidly pulling down and pushing up. This is not the kind of entries I like to take. I like the market to pull back into the level, sit on the level, and give me confirmations. But this was a rapid push down, rapid push up. That is not what I'm trying to get involved in. So this week I'm going to be waiting to see if the market will pull back into this level again, or I'm going to be taking it off the list and be waiting to see if the market will break above this tight consolidation and return for a pullback. But I'm bullish on GBP AUD. AUD JPY. AUD JPY has just been melting so hard since last week. I was anticipating a retest of this level. Let me get the level properly. Of this level last week. The market just broke down. It didn't quite give us the kind of retest we like to see. It just kept melting down hard. So for this week, the market has broken and closed below this support. So I'm either going to be seeing the market pull back into this level over here. So we look for short opportunities to the downside. Bearish on AUD JPY. Similar story on AUD CHF. You can see a clear case of this support that has been violated here. Support 1, 2, 3. Market has broken and closed strongly below it. So this week we're going to be anticipating to see the market is going to be able to pull back and continue the move to the downside. If you look closely at all the pairs I'm pointing out, you see that most of them, or all of them, not just most, all of them are pairs that there's a clear direction that the market is showing us. It's either going up or going down. And what I'm just doing, I'm waiting for retests at strong key levels, and I'm taking advantage of the market when the market does that. Same thing here, card CHF, the market has taken out this support over here, this support over here. So we're going to be seeing the market can pull back into this level to look for opportunities to the downside. NZD-CHF, the same thing. The market has broken strongly and closed below this support. So we're going to be seeing the market can pull back into this previous support and use it as resistance to continue the move to the downside. GBP-CHF, also bearish on GBP-CHF. The market came and did this form of this sort of like left head, right shoulder, and it has finally broken and closed below. We're going to see if the market can pull back into this level to short. I don't know. That looks like is in a ways away. So the market also took out this support, but I don't like this level. It's not looking very clean. So yeah, if the market is not able to pull back all the way to this point, I'll just be leaving this off my watch list. But the market has broken out of this support. We're going to see if the market can pull back and use it as resistance. Euro CHF, you can see a clear case of support being violated, support, resistance, support. So we're going to be seeing the market can pull back into this level, continue to move to the downside. If not, we're going to be waiting for the market to come, break and close below this level, look for pullbacks for continue to move to the downside. GBP CAD, I've been anticipating GBP CAD to pull back into this level since last week. They didn't quite do that. So this week, I'm expecting the same thing for GBP CAD to pull back into this level or come and break and close above this level, retest to continue the move to the upside. Either ways, I'm bullish on GBP CAD. Next pair on my list, NZD-JPY. NZD-JPY, I'm bearish on NZD-JPY. It broke this and closed below this level quite heavily, but it never failed to come back and retest it. So this week, the market will either push back into this level to retest it, or the market can come, break below this support, retest it, and I'll be looking for shorts to the downside. USD-CHF. USD-CHF, I have been monitoring this pair for quite a while. I missed a trade in here last week. I missed a very beautiful trade here last week. But like I said, we do not complain about opportunities over here because there are going to be endless opportunities here in the market. So the market's now either I'm going to be anticipating the market to push up from here to retest this level before looking for shorts, or for the market to break this level, retest it before looking for shorts to the downside. Either one that happens is fine by me. I'm going to be waiting at either this strong area of interest or this strong area of interest. CAD JPY is a similar thing for CAD JPY. The market, I told you guys I missed the trade here. The market violated this support, didn't retest it, and now we are at this level here. So I'm going to be anticipating this market to break and retest this level, or the market can also push up into this level, and I'm still going to be looking for shorts to take the market to the downside. Either way, we're bearish on CAD JPY. GBP JPY, the market has just taken out this strong support level over here, has broken and closed below it over here. So we're going to be anticipating the market to pull back into this previous support and use it as resistance to continue the move to the downside. So we're bearish on GBP JPY. Euro CAD, I'm bullish on Euro CAD. The market has broken and closed above this strong area of resistance that it has been holding for quite a while. So right now we're going to be anticipating the market to pull back into this level here and use it as support to continue the move to the upside. So we're bullish on Euro CAD. Euro GBP. I'm going to be looking for buy opportunities on Euro GBP because if you look here closely, the market was in a downtrend: high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now the market has violated this high, which is not supposed to happen in a downtrend. It has broken and closed above. So I'm going to be looking to see if the market pull back into this level and give us our entry confirmation to look for longs to the upside. So this market looks like it's still in the downtrend, but it has violated the downtrend structure. So I'm going to be looking for buys this coming week on the Euro GBP. Euro AUD, I'm also going to be looking for buys in this pair. On this pair, this market was also in a downtrend: high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. The market has violated all the highs. It has made a higher high, higher low, higher high. So this market could pull back into this level over here. I'm going to be looking for longs to the upside. So a long on Euro AUD. Euro USD. I feel like Euro USD, the structure is not the cleanest. This level has been violated quite a number of times. Spike up here, spike down, spike up, and down. So yes, we could argue that this market could potentially go up, but for me, I think before I would be interested in Euro USD again, the market needs to come up and take out this high. Market needs to come up and take out this high because this other level has been, they have just been violated. Spike up, and back down. I like to see my levels either holding or breaking. I don't like this manipulation that keeps happening up or down. So I'm going to be waiting for this level to be completely taken out, something like this, before I'll be interested. So I'll just turn this off until that happens. I think that's going to be the last pair for the FX pairs. Let's go into indices. Let's see what we have on the indices pair. I don't think I'm seeing anything interesting here on the indices pair. The market has finally violated the support. I'll just be sitting on my hands. I'm not going to be doing anything for us to be trading this pair. The support didn't hold. Going to be watching to see if the market will come, make a lower high, lower low before I'll be looking for shorts, or to see if this market just wants to fake out this level, push back up and retest here before I'll be looking for longs. Either way, I'll be sitting on my hands. NZD, the NAS 100, however, has made lower low, lower high, lower low. On this pair, I'll be looking for shorts. I'll be looking for this market to retest this level over here to look for shorts to the downside, or market to break this support here, retest it to be looking for shorts to the downside. SPX 500, S&P 500. This one as well, I'll also be looking for shorts. I told you guys, was it last week? I don't know if I broke this pair down, but I have been looking at this pair and I said this is a higher low, higher high, lower low, violation of trend. So now the market has made a lower high, a lower low, and the market is currently here. I'll be looking for this market to break this level, retest it, and look for shorts to the downside. My only issue with this pair is the space from here to here is not really quite juicy, so it might be one I would just be looking to sit on my hands, because it's not going to look very there are no pips, there are not much pips for me to catch to the downside, so it might be something I'll just be waiting to see. I'm sitting on my hands until this level gets broken. But structure wise, it has given us a downward structure: higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I'll be waiting either for this level to break and retest if you really have to trade it, or better still, be waiting for this come, take out this level, retest here, and move to the downside. Either way, I'm bearish on the S&P 500. US oil, I'm also bearish on US oil. I'm also bearish on US oil. I'm bearish on US oil. The market has also made high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It's not the cleanness of structures, but I'm bearish on the US oil. We're waiting to see if the market can pull back into this level to give us a cleaner retest of this level to look for shorts to the downside. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dropping quite heavily this period, which is to be anticipated. The market came here, higher low, higher high. We tested this level, pushed up, made a double top, and it has broken below this strong support, which honestly is not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Now the market is bearish, and it's bearish for the time being. What I would be looking for to get involved in this market is either this market to take out this level, retest here before looking for shorts, or this market can pull back all the way into this level over here, then I'll be looking for shorts to the downside. Either way, I'm bearish on the Bitcoin market. So that's all the pairs I'm going to be breaking down on this video. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your trader friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll go through them and see how I could answer your questions. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.